talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't love anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. We don't love anymore. What was all of it for? Ooh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do.
I just hope you're lying next to somebody who knows how to love you like me. There must be a good reason that you're gone. Every now and then I think you might want me to come show up at your door, but I'm just so afraid that I'll be wrong.
It's the 9th medical college of the state, you all know that. And this medical college, we have 100 undergraduate students, that all you know, I don't want to say. It was inaugurated by our Honorable President of India, Draupadi Murmu, on 13th of October 2022. So we are affiliated to the SSUHS, Assam. And what is the mission? If you go to the website also, then you will find all this information. Normally when a medical college is established, the missions are like to meet the shortfall of human resources, you all know. Still we are not reaching the stage of fulfillment of doctor population ratio. নতুন কলেজ কাৰণে আৰু খুব আনলাইকলি অসুবিধা আহিব, তথাপি মই কৈছোঁ so we will be together, we will be like a family. আৰু আমি যেতিয়া কিবা প্ৰব্লেম হয়, যেতিয়া কিবা ইস্যু হয়, so আমি সকলোৱে আচলতে available to everyone. ইভেন মোৰ ৰুমলৈও যোৱাত কোনো এনেকুৱা নাই যে আপোনালোক যাব নোৱাৰিব, চবৰে এটা ফিলিং থাকে I am also a parent. Every day different kind of, because the patient load is very high here. So it's a border district, you all know. We are sharing border with the Bangladesh. We used to get patients from all these places. So it possesses a diverse landscape. We have riverine areas, we have hills, we have tea gardens also. So, but if you see the indicators of the district, so performance or the health indicators are very poor. Maternal death, mothers are dying at a very high rate, infants are dying at a very high rate, neonates are dying at a very high rate. Okay, so this is a very vulnerable place. So if you look at Dhuburi Medical College, so why I am saying all this, that means you will be facing with a huge number of patients with different kind of problems, right? In many places when you see the different some other medical colleges where patient load is low, the chance of teaching is much lower. I mean, getting the variety of patient are much lower. So vision of Dhuburi Medical College, if I look at the vision, see that any medical college, especially in Dhuburi Medical College, this is also in our website also. Our vision is the excellence in medical education, excellence in research, and excellence in patient care. Many a times we think that, even the guardian সকলৰ কাৰণেও কৈছোঁ, বহুত সময়ত আমি ভাবোঁ যে মেডিকেল কলেজ মানে পেচেণ্ট ট্ৰিটমেণ্ট কৰিব লাগে. So medical college is not only for the treatment or care of the patient.
আমাৰ ধুবুৰী চিকিৎসা মহাবিদ্যালয়ৰ অধ্যক্ষা তথা মুখ্য অধীক্ষক অধ্যাপিকা সন্মানীয় ডক্টৰ অংকুমণি শইকীয়া বাইদেউ, উপাধ্যক্ষ অধ্যাপক ডক্টৰ মুকুল পাটৰ ডাঙৰীয়া, অধ্যাপক ৰাহুল দাস ডাঙৰীয়া, সহযোগী অধ্যাপক নিশান্ত ঠাকুৰীয়া ডাঙৰীয়া, ইয়াত উপস্থিত সন্মানীয় এই চিকিৎসা মহাবিদ্যালয়ৰ শিক্ষক শিক্ষয়িত্ৰী তথা সতীৰ্থসকল, গৰ্বিত আৰু শ্ৰদ্ধাৰ অভিভাৱক অভিভাৱিকাসকল, যাৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী এই পবিত্ৰ অনুষ্ঠানৰ এক অবিচ্ছেদ্য অংগ হ'বলৈ আজিৰ পৰা গৈ আছে, আৰু লগতে মোৰ অতি মৰমৰ নপুৰণি ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল, আমি যেতিয়াই এখন শিক্ষানুষ্ঠানৰ নামভৰ্তিকৰণৰ প্ৰক্ৰিয়াটোৰ লগত জড়িত হ'বলৈ যাওঁ, এটা শংকা সকলোৰে মনত সদায়ে আহে। অভিভাৱক অভিভাৱিকাই হওক, ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীয়েই হওক বা মহাবিদ্যালয় কৰ্তৃপক্ষৰ তৰফৰ পৰাই হওক, এটা শব্দ যিটোৰ অসমীয়া প্ৰতিশব্দ নাই, সেইটো হৈছে ৰেগিং। সম্পূৰ্ণৰূপে তালিকাভুক্ত কৰা হৈছে এই নিৰ্দেশনাৱলীখনত। কিন্তু তাৰ লগতে আৰু এটা কথা কোৱা হৈছে যে কি ধৰণে ইয়াৰ ব্যৱস্থা কৰা হ'ব বা তাৰ কেনেকুৱা ধৰণে অনুসন্ধান কৰা হ'ব কলেজত, আৰু তাৰ কাৰণে দুখন সমিতি গঠন কৰা হৈছে। প্ৰথম সমিতিখনৰ নাম এণ্টি ৰেগিং স্কোৱাড বুলি কয়, আৰু তাত ভালেকেইজন সদস্য আছে, আৰু সেই সদস্যকেইজনৰ ইমেইল ID আৰু লগতে ফোন নম্বৰ আপোনালোকে পাব। আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ কাম হৈছে যে এই মহাবিদ্যালয়ৰ পৰিসৰৰ চুকে কোণে তীক্ষ্ণ দৃষ্টি ৰখা, যাতে কোনো ধৰণৰ এনেকুৱা কাৰ্যকলাপ কোনেও কৰিব নোৱাৰে। আৰু অভিভাৱক অভিভাৱিকাসকলৰ এটা ইয়াত কথা আছে যে যদি কোনোবা ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীয়ে তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কথা কৈ সোধা কাৰণে অভিভাৱকৰ লগত আলোচনা কৰে, তেওঁলোকেও এইটো চালি জাৰি চাব লাগে যে আচলতে ৰেগিঙৰ কাৰণে এনেকুৱা ধৰণে সুধিছে নে কিবা এটা প্ৰতিভা সন্ধানৰ কাৰণেহে এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ কথাখিনি সুধিছে। মই কৈছোঁ যে আৰ্থিক জৰিমনাৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি মহাবিদ্যালয়ৰ পৰা বহিষ্কাৰ কৰালৈকে শাস্তি বিধান কৰা আছে, থাকিব, আৰু কিছুদিন পিছত সেইটো লুপ্ত হৈ যাব। আৰু যেতিয়া আমি এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ সুপ্ত প্ৰতিভাক আমি জাগ্ৰত কৰিব পাৰোঁ, আমি এই ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকলৰে উন্নতি নকৰোঁ।
So there is one more thing, mentor-mentee program is going on according to the NMC rules and regulations. So each student will be given one mentor. That is, one faculty member will be your mentor. So he will be like your local guardian.
Please stand up, all the newcomers, student. You have the two paper with you. You just put your right hand on your left chest like that, and you have to say along with me. So it's the Hippocratic oath. You know who is Hippocratic. I cannot explain all these things. So you have to say along with me. I, your name, swear by Apollo, the healer, Asclepius, Hygeia, and Panacea, and I take to witness all the gods, all the goddesses, to keep according to my ability and my judgment the following notes and argument, to consider dear to me as parents him who taught me this art, to live in common with him, and if necessary to share my goods with him, to look upon his children as my own brothers, to teach them this art. I will prescribe regimes for the goods of my patient according to my ability and my judgment, and never do harm to anyone. I will not give a little drugs to anyone if I am asked, nor will I advise such a plan, and similarly I will not give a woman a pessary to cause an abortion, but I will preserve the purity of my life and my arts. I will not cut for stone even for patient in whom the disease is manifest. I will leave this operation to perform if I keep this oath faithfully. May I enjoy my life and practice to achieve the highest professional standards. I shall not indulge any activity which may appear to be a deterrent to the progress of the college or its reputation. You have to sign it below and submit it to the MU, or it will be collected by our student union member. So thank you.
I am Himanshu Pratim Bora. I belong to Bhusai district and I did my schooling in Nagaon district from Ramanujan Senior Secondary School.
My name is Aruna Bhatipura and I hail from the town of Dibrugarh. I have completed my schooling from Delhi Public School, Duliajan, and I look forward to becoming a good medical practitioner and being a good citizen of our country. Thank you.
Morning everyone, I am Ayan Kuri. I am from Silchar district. I completed my schooling from Sandabhira Dhamriti.
Over here, my name is Pratik Dole. I am from Gugamukh and I passed my HS from Brahmaputra Valley Academy, North Lakhimpur. It's a pleasure to be here and I am looking forward to completing my MBBS with all of you.
My name is Iqbal Hussain and I am from Borpeta. I did schooling from Senior Secondary High School in Borpeta, and I would love to enjoy my college life and be a good citizen of.
মোৰ নাম ৰিস্তাকুৰ ৰহমান। মই দৰং জিলাৰ পৰা হয়। মই আজমল কলেজৰ পৰা পঢ়ি আহিছোঁ।
My name is Nazrul Islam and I am from Golpara and I have completed my HS from Oasis Academy Senior Secondary, Golpara.
I am from Borpeta and I have completed my 12th from Ajmal Senior Secondary School, Bhujan.
Myself, Ashraful Islam. I have completed HS from Ajmal Supercorti.
All the dignitaries present in the dais and of the dais. My name is Nakibur Zaman. I have come from Bongaigaon and I have studied from Mahatma Gandhi Senior Secondary School, Golpara, Bhalukduri. Thank you.
Everybody, I am Amir Pratap Singh from Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur. My schooling is Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Kanpur.
Myself, Rajiv Arjam from Bongaigaon and I first high secondary from Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Bongaigaon.
মোৰ নাম চিৰন্তন দাস। মই মোৰ হাই ছেকেণ্ডেৰী ধুবুৰী শিশু পাঠশালাৰ পৰা।
My respected dignitaries and faculties and also my seniors, I, Renessa Paul, residing in Dhubri. I have done my HS from Sai Vikas Vidya Niketan, Guwahati, and I am very privileged to be a part of this family. Thank you.
I am Gornama Chakraborty. I am from Dhubri and I have done my schooling in Shishupathala HS School, and I am so privileged. I have always wanted to be at a college close to my home, so this is so special and thank you so much.
My name is Jacqueline Ness. I come from Delgaon. I have completed my SS from Radiant Junior College, Delgaon. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Myself Rubani Islam. I am from South Shafra Mankasa and I have completed my HS from Moriam Azmal Women's College of Science and Technology, Bhujan. Thank you.
Myself Halina Yasmin. I am from Kamruk. My schooling from Sigma Point Integrated Academy. Thank you.
My name is Ramesh Thankasa. I live from Dima Hasao and then I did my HS from Delhi Public School, Guwahati, and I'm delighted to be here. I am from Morino. I did my HS from Dasmani classes, London, and I feel truly special to be a part of this awesome and prestigious medical college. My name is Priyanka Lamkasa and I'm from Dima Hasao, and I did my HS from Hafnong Government College. Thank you. My name is Khyatri Bhatter. I am from Monica and I did my HS from Dasmani classes, Naga. Supasana Roy. I am from Pathshala, district Gojali. I had completed my HS from Krishnakanta Pandikar Senior Secondary School, Pathshala. Myself Priyanka Ahmed from Golpara. I had completed my schooling from Moriam Azmal Women's College of Science and Technology, Bhujan. Thank you.
Myself Lima Khatun from Borpeta. I have completed my 12th board exam, Azmal Senior Secondary School, Kolgasia.
I am Afrin Farnida from Bongaigaon and I did my HS from Mariam Ajmal Women's College of Science and Technology, Bhujan.
Good morning everyone. My name is Prastuti Roy. I am from Kolpara, Assam, and I have been born and brought up in Tamil Nadu. So I completed my class 12 from Army Coding School, Chennai. Thank you.
Good morning each and everyone present over here. My name is Darshana Dekha Burua. I am from Dibrugarh district and I did my schooling from St. Xavier's School and HS from Dr. Radhakrishna HS School, and I am very glad to be a part of DMCH. Thank you.
অধ্যক্ষ মহোদয়া আৰু DMCHৰ সকলো সদস্যলৈ মোৰ তৰফৰ পৰা নমস্কাৰ। মোৰ নাম প্ৰীতি তৃষ্ণা গোহাঁই। মই তিনিচুকীয়া জিলাৰ বাৰেকুৰি গাঁৱৰ জীয়ৰী আৰু মই নিজৰ হাই ছেকেণ্ডেৰী ডিব্ৰুগড় ডক্টৰ ৰাধাকৃষ্ণ স্কুল অফ আৰ্টছ কমাৰ্চ এণ্ড ছায়েন্সৰ পৰা পাছ আউট আৰু মই বহুত সুখী আজি এই ইনষ্টিটিউশ্যনত এটা মেম্বাৰ হিচাপে জইন কৰাৰ বাবে আৰু আশা কৰোঁ সকলোৰে যাত্ৰা শুভ হওক। ধন্যবাদ।
Respected Principal Ma'am, Professors, and all my dear friends of Dhubri Medical College, I'm Aryan Ghosh. I'm from Sri Bhumi. I've done my schooling in Central Public School Sri Bhumi. Then I've completed my HS from Nurmati Public School, Guwahati.
My name is Ankit Pritam Das. I am from Guwahati. I have done my schooling from DPS Guwahati.
My name is Chatri and I'm from Tamalpur district, and I completed my HS from Dharamdala district.
Myself Hamza Ansari from district Farrukhabad UP, and I did my schooling in my hometown district Farrukhabad.
Myself Rakib Khamsek from South Sabra Markazur district. I have passed HS from Azmol Senior Secondary School, Hojai. Thank you. Myself Jati Akhtar from Borpeta. I completed HS from Krishnakanta Handike Junior College, Pakistan.
Myself Junaid Islam. I am from Thupthora, Gwalpara, and I completed my HS this year from Ramanujan Senior Secondary School, and I'm very pleased to be admitted in a college like this, and I'm looking forward to make many memories with this MBBS journey.
My name is Hassanur Zaman Faruqi. I did my 12th from Golbara Science Academy. I am from Borpeta.
From Borpeta. I completed my HS from National Science Academy.
Namul Hussain. I am from Dhuburi. I did my 12th from Agumani Higher Secondary School.
My name is Shafiul Murtuza Ahmed. I am from Borpeta. I did my 12th from Azmol Subarpoti.
Myself Asif Mehdi Hassan. I completed my schooling from JNB Dhubri. I'm excited about this new journey.
I am Shariful Islam. I am from Dhubri. I completed HS from Azmol Subarpoti.
My name is Alamgir Islam. I am from Borpeta, and I have completed my SH from Azmol Subarpoti. It is a privilege to join you all and looking forward for a great journey. I am Colin Das. I am from Kolpra. I did my class 12 from Chauhan Navodaya Vidyalaya, Dhubri. My name is Sahil Ali. I am from Dhubri. I did my schooling from KCM Academy, Kolpra. My name is Mohan Kumar. I am from Dhubri Village. I done my 12th from Krishnakanta Handike Senior Secondary School, Pakistan. I Ziaul Haq from Lashibara. I completed higher secondary from Azmol Senior Secondary School.
I am Shubham Pal. I belong to Golaghat district. I have completed my class 10 and 12 examination from Savikas Vidyaniketan, Guwahati.
I am Johan Burua. I was born in Guwahati, but I have spent almost all my life outside the state. 8 years in West Bengal and 8 years in Canada. And so glad to be here, and glad to be doing this prestigious course. Was one of my dreams, and really looking forward. A bit of excited and nervous. And I have done my 12th from Torkich Public School, Kerala.
My name is Vivek Kundan. I am from Dhubri. I have completed my class 12 from Shishu Bashala Higher Secondary School, Dhubri. Thank you.
মোৰ অতি মৰমৰ ছাত্ৰ নকওঁ, মোৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী বুলি কওঁ, কাৰণ যিহেতু মোৰ ল'ৰা ইয়াতে আছে। মোৰ ল'ৰাৰ বয়সৰ, ছোৱালীৰ বয়সৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালীসকল, আজি এই অৱস্থাত মনত বহুত আনন্দ লাগিছে, কাৰণ আমি এই অৱস্থা পাবলৈ, আজিৰ এটা দিন আজি পাবলৈ আমি বহুত কষ্ট কৰিছোঁ, মানসিক শাৰীৰিক বহুত কষ্ট কৰিছোঁ, আমি বহুত উজাগৰি লিখা কটাইছোঁ, আমাৰ ল'ৰা ছোৱালী বহুত কষ্ট কৰিছে, তাৰ লগতে আমিও বহুত কষ্ট কৰিছোঁ। কিছুমানৰ হয়তো এবছৰতে হৈছে, কিছুমানৰ 2 বছৰ 3 বছৰ লাগিছে। অন্ততঃ আমি শেষত গৈ আজি এটা সুন্দৰ হাঁহি মুখত আহিছে, আৰু আমি শেষত গৈ আমি এখন অতি সুন্দৰ কলেজ পাইছোঁ আহি, আৰু সেইখন কলেজে আহিছে ধুবুৰী মেডিকেল কলেজ। অসমত প্ৰায় 42,000 ল'ৰা ছোৱালীয়ে, মই অসমত কৈছোঁ প্ৰায় 42,000 ল'ৰা ছোৱালীয়ে অসমত পৰীক্ষা দিছিলে, নীট পৰীক্ষা দিছিলে। তাৰ ভিতৰত প্ৰায় 19,000 ল'ৰা ছোৱালীয়ে কোৱালিফাই হৈছে। Introduce myself, I am Junaid Islam.
So, although I don't have much to say, but still, I'm very privileged and feel very honored to be admitted in this college, which, as my father said, is on par with Guwahati Medical College and Assam Medical College. When I came to the admission day, I really liked the campus and the facilities of the college, and so I decided not to take the second round and try to stay here and be a part of the institution with all their teachers and vice principal ma'am. I am very much honored. Thank you.
Thank you, Junaid.